Hello children. So yesterday we had completed one commodity. Yes, equilibrium in case of one commodity. That is consumer in consumption of single commodity will be at equilibrium when we can say marginal utility from the commodity, that is mu x, is equal to the price paid, that is px, for that commodity. Okay, and the equilibrium condition which is expressed in this single commodity was that, as we learned, mu x upon mu m is equal to px. Yes, this only we learned yesterday. Or one more is there, mu x upon px is equal to mu m. So this is for single commodity. Okay, so now we will discuss about the two commodity. Okay, two commodity. So two commodity, that is according to the law, we can say equimarginal utility. A consumer gets maximum satisfaction when ratios of mu of two commodities and the respective prices are equal, and mu falls as consumption increases. Okay, so this two commodity, okay, it means there are two necessary conditions to attain consumers equilibrium in case of two commodities. Okay, see, in two commodity approach, what is it? One consumer is spending his income in two commodities. Okay, that is x, one commodity, and y, second commodity. So in these two commodities, our consumer is spending his income. Okay, and if I am spending in two commodities, so I want the satisfaction in both, that is in x and y, because I am spending my income in both these commodities, isn't it? So for example, if I say that one marker, okay, one marker means one commodity, one marker, this is one commodity. If I say second, one more marker, okay, एक marker लिया, that is one commodity. Then second marker I had purchased, that is another commodity, that is second commodity. Is it? Yes or no? But it is not like that कि हमने पहले एक मार्कर खरीदा तो वो एक कमोडिटी बना, दूसरा मार्कर खरीदा तो वो दूसरा कमोडिटी बना. नो, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दिस. हियर द कमोडिटी इज़ वन. हियर व्हाट? कमोडिटी इज़ वन. कमोडिटी एक ही है, ओनली यूनिट्स आर डिफरेंट. अंडरस्टूड? कमोडिटी एक है, यहाँ पे दो कमोडिटी नहीं हो रहा है, सिर्फ यूनिट अलग अलग हो रहा है. ओके, बट इफ आई से वन मार्कर and one box, one marker and one box, then here two commodities are there, isn't it? Now the question is, how many marker or how many box I will purchase to get maximum satisfaction. Okay, so if I purchase x commodity, then my satisfaction is what? mu x upon mu m is equal to px. Yes, for x commodity, isn't it? This will be the my satisfaction. And for y commodity, mu y upon mu m equals py. ठीक है, this is for y commodity and this is for x commodity. Clear? Now if I say I will purchase both together, that is x and y, both together, then what will be my equilibrium point? Simple, that is when we combine this two. Okay, now if you compare this two, okay, that is x commodity and y commodity. Clear? Now if we combine this two, what happened? That is for x and y, हम combine कर रहे हैं, then we will do it as mu x upon px equal mu y upon py is equal to mu m. Yes, mu x, here mu m is common in both, so mu x upon px, mu y upon py is equal to mu m. And this is the consumer's equilibrium point when we purchase two commodities. Okay, जब two commodities खरीदेंगे, and at that time when this 2 point will be equal, then there we will be getting our consumer's equilibrium point. Okay, now to make this equation more easy, one more thing we can do it. What is that? That is we can say we have to suppose it. that px and py is there. Okay, to make this equation more easy, here px and here py is there, that is equal px and py. So we will just suppose it, that is let px is equal to py is equal to 1. Okay, just we are assuming it, px is equal to py is equal to 1. Now our equation is what? If we will see this, our equation is mux is equal to mu y, because px and py we supposed it, we assumed it as 1. Okay, so mux is equal to mu y, that is our equation is mux is equal to mu y. Clear? Now see in this schedule, okay, units mux and muy, that is x commodity and y commodity. In this table you can see where we are getting the equilibrium point, that is here equal 2020, that is in third unit, isn't it? That is when we are consuming 3 units. Here and here we are getting as mux and muy are equal in this point. Okay, so here the condition is what? That the consumer is ready to spend rupees 6 here on the purchase of x and y commodity. एंड हाउ टू गेट 6 here, कैसे ये 6 आया कि कंज्यूमर इज़ रेडी टू स्पेंड ₹6, तभी ये यहाँ पे इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट आया. सी इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट एज यू कैन सी 20 है, एंड एट विच पॉइंट इट इज़, यूनिट कितना है 3 है. सो यह इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट इज़ 3 में आया, isn't it? Equilibrium point. Now for x, so x mux is 20, तो x के लिए 3 यूनिट्स, यस, एंड y के लिए 3 यूनिट्स. ओके, y में 20 आया, x में 20 आया. इन बोथ द केसेस फॉर x ऑल्सो यू विल कंसिडर 3 एंड y ऑल्सो यू विल कंसिडर 3. सो द टोटल इज 6. So here that is the reason we said that consumer is ready to pay ₹6 on the purchase of the commodity X and the commodity Y. So here we said that the point where mux and muy equal, then that point is known as consumer's equilibrium point. Okay, can you see? And one more thing, in this schedule you can see one more thing, that is ये तो क्लियर हो गया कि 20 and 20 both are same here. Yes, mux and muy. Now in this table can you see any other point where it is equal? In this schedule that is mux और muy में कोई दूसरा ऐसा पॉइंट है जहाँ पे वो दोनों इक्वल? Yes, that is 40 and 40. Okay, now you will be saying that no, this 40 and this 40 ये कैसे इक्वल है, क्योंकि ये तो this सेम यूनिट में नहीं आया. Here 40 and that is here it is of 1 unit when consumed, and here 40 when he consumed 2 units, ऐसा आया. Okay, so this is not in the same unit, but mux and muy ये तो सेम ही आ रहा है. mux यहाँ 40 आया और muy यहाँ भी 40 आया. अब ये तो नहीं बोला था कि सामने सामने ही पॉइंट होने से इक्विलिब्रियम आएगा, isn't it? Only thing what you have to keep in mind is कि ये जो पॉइंट है 3, दैट यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड. यहाँ पे आपने जब 2020 था, हियर यू फाइंड आउट दैट द कंज्यूमर इज रेडी टू स्पेंड ₹6, सो दैट स्पेंडिंग मनी ओनली यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड. ओके, सो हियर 40 एंड हियर 40, दैट मीन्स कंज्यूमर इज रेडी टू स्पेंड हाउ मच रुपीज़ हियर. सी इन muy 40 है, यहाँ पे 1 यूनिट हुआ x कमोडिटी के लिए, एंड फॉर y कमोडिटी 2 यूनिट्स आर देयर. So here 2 and 1, that means total is 3. So here that is in 40. Okay, so here the consumer is ready to spend 3 rupees. Okay, so this is also an equilibrium point. So हम कहीं पे भी equilibrium define कर सकते हैं, not necessary कि वो आमने सामने ही होना चाहिए. Okay, up and down also we can do, but the thing is that the assuming जो भी हम units check कर रहे हैं, that it should be keep it in your mind. Okay, so this is about the 2 commodities. Okay, so I hope everybody this 1 commodity and 2 commodity clear na everybody. Okay, so In next class I'll give you the next topic. Now the only thing what you have to do is just go through your book, the book, whichever book you are having, just go through the book, read it properly, you will be more clear. अच्छे से और इसको रीड करो बुक में. दिस आई हैड जस्ट एक्सप्लेन्ड यू एवरीथिंग. नाउ यू गो थ्रू द बुक्स, रीड इट, वट एवर इट इज़ गिवन, वो आपको और भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच बच्चा. गॉड ब्लेस यू.